Hey guys, in this video we install a Sierra stone coating with epoxy over a concrete paver driveway. Hope you like the video, guys. This concrete paver driveway located on Beef Island in the British Virgin Islands had some concrete repairs and damages to it prior to us being contracted to cover it with a Sierra stone coating. Anytime we install this service, we do all our crack repair and cement work first, then do a deep cleaning with our hot water surface cleaner to remove all contaminants, oil, dirt, and debris to ensure a clean working surface for the epoxy to adhere. We mix the material in our column mix mixer for 3 minutes, then transport it using a wheelbarrow, where we typically have 3 men troweling and packing the material in 2-foot wide sections. Ensuring a very tight compaction is the best way to ensure the coating will perform as intended. Focusing on the seams in between pores is also something that requires a lot of attention to detail so that you don't see the color variations or unevenness between the pores. Working under the shade allows for more working time. We are working in 85 to 100 degree Fahrenheit weather here in the Caribbean most days, so keeping the surface cool and controlling the environment as much as we can is crucial for a successful installation. In this clip, we have one person applying epoxy primer ahead of the men troweling, which allows for better adhesion and a wet edge so that there is no dry surfaces when troweling down the Sierra stone. You will also notice that we used wood for our edging for between pores. But half-inch polycarbonate sheeting, better known as plexiglass, is better to use because when you remove the wood on the following day, the wood splinters off and requires more time to clean up the edge with an angle grinder, which can be costly on a larger project. After completing the Sierra stone installation, we rolled on an additional coat of epoxy over top of the finished surface with a coverage rate of 122 square feet per gallon. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope you liked it and I hope you learned something. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, give us a huge thumbs up and turn on those notifications. Cheers guys.